Welcome dear students to Standard 9th Algebra, Chapter 4, Ratio Proportion, Part 1. Now, we have learned about variation. What is variation? Suppose one notebook has cost of rupees 10. Then observe the following table. Number of notebooks here is 1. Cost of notebook is 10. Now when the number of notebook becomes 3, the cost of the notebooks also becomes 30. When the number of notebooks is increased to 5, the cost of notebooks also increases to 50. That means as the number of notebooks is increasing, the cost of notebooks is also increasing. That means as the variable x changes, the variable y also changes. This changing of variable parameters is called variation. Types of variations. Now we have learned about direct variation and indirect variation, that is inverse variation. Now what is direct variation? In a variation, if variable changes proportionately, that is either with the increase or decrease together, then it is called a direct variation. That is, if x is increasing and y is also increasing, then it is called direct variation. X is in direct variation with y. It can be symbolically written as x directly proportional to y. Here, x is directly proportional to y is written in the form of equation as x is equal to ky, where k is a constant, or x is equal to ky can be written as x upon y is equal to k is the equation form of direct variation, where k is the constant of variation. Now let us see what is inverse variation. The statement y varies as inversely as x means that when x is increasing, y decreases by the same factor and vice versa. X inversely varies as y is written as x directly proportional to 1 by y, or x is equal to k upon y. Here when we cross multiply x multiplied to y, we get k. This is the equation of variation, where k is the constant of variation. Now let us see what are the properties of ratio. Ratio of numbers a and b is written as a is to b or a upon b, where a is called the predecessor or first term and b is called the successor or second term. In the ratio of two numbers, if the second term is 100, then it is known as percentage. Third point, the ratio remains unchanged if its terms are multiplied or divided by non-zero number. Example, 3:4 is equal to 6:8 is equal to 9:12. Similarly, 2:3:5 is equal to 8:12:20. If k is a non-zero number, then a is to b is equal to ak is to bk, or a is to b is to c is equal to ak is to bk is equal to ck. Fourth point or property, the quantities taken in the ratio must be expressed in the same unit. Fifth property, the ratio of two quantities is unitless. For example, the ratio of 2 kg and 300 grams is not 2 is to 300. We have to convert 2 kgs to grams, but it is 2000 is to 300 as 2 kg is 200 gram. Therefore, the ratio becomes 20 is to 3. Let us do the questions of practice set 4.1. Question number 1. From the following pairs of numbers, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to second number, that is 72, 60. So the ratio is written as 72 upon 60. We can further factorize as 72 as 12 multiplied to 6 and 60 can be written as 12 multiplied to 5. Therefore, cancelling 12 from the numerator and denominator, we get 6 upon 5. It can be written as 6 is to 5. Second question is 38, 57. So the ratio can be written as 38 upon 57, where 19 is a common factor for both the numbers. So 38 can be written as 19 multiplied by 2 upon 57 can be written as 19 multiplied to 3. So cancelling 19 from both sides, we get 2 is to 3. Third question, 52, 78. So the ratio can be written as 52 upon 78. 26 is the common factor when we factorize 52. So it can be written as 26 multiplied by 2 and 78 as 26 multiplied by 3. So cancelling 26 from numerator and denominator, we get 2 upon 3. The ratio is 2 is to 3. Question number 2. Find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to second quantity. First question, rupees 700, rupees 308. So let us do the solution here. We can write the ratio as 700 upon 308 since it is the first quantity to second quantity. So here 700 can be written as 28 multiplied to 25 and 308 can be written as 28 multiplied to 11. So cancelling 28 with numerator and denominator, we get 25 upon 11. So the ratio is 25 is to 11. Second question, rupees 14, rupees 12 and 40 paise. So rupees 14, we have to convert it into the smallest term paise. So since 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, we can write 14 rupees as 14 multiplied to 100 paise is equal to 1400 paise. Now converting 12 rupee and 40 paise, we get 12 multiplied to 100 plus 40 paise. So 1200 plus 40, we get 1240 paise. Now we will take the ratio of rupees 14 upon 14 rupees 12 and 40 paise. So which will be equal to 1400 paise upon 1240 paise. Now taking common or factorizing 1400, we get 40 multiplied to 35 and factorizing 1240, we get 40 multiplied to 31. So cancelling 40 from numerator and denominator, we get 35 upon 31, which can be written in ratio as 35 is to 31. Third question, 5 liters, 2500 milliliter. So we will convert 5 liters to milliliter. Since 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, 5 liters will be equal to 5 multiplied to 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 5000 milliliter. Therefore, the ratio is equal to 5 liters upon 2500 milliliter can be written as 5000 milliliter upon 2500 milliliter. Now cancelling two zeros, we get 50 upon 25. Again it can be cancelled by 25. So we get 2 upon 1. The ratio will be 2:1. Fourth question, 5 years 4 months and 8 year 4 months. Here again we have to convert the years into smaller term, that is months. So 3 years can be converted to 3 multiplied by 12, since 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we get 36 plus 4 months, that is 40 months. Again 5 years and 8 months is equal to 5 multiplied to 12 plus 8 months. So that is 60 plus 8, 68 months. Now the ratio of the given question, that is 3 years 4 months upon 5 years 8 months is equal to 40 months upon 68 months is equal to 40 upon 68. Now taking 4 common, we get 4 multiplied by 10 upon 4 multiplied by 17, which is equal to 10 upon 17 after cancelling 4 from the numerator and denominator. Therefore, the ratio is equal to 10:17. Question number 5. 3.8 kg, 1900 gram. Converting 3.8 kg to grams, we get 3.8 multiplied to 1000 gram. So that is equal to 3800 gram. The ratio is 3.8 kg upon 1900 gram, which can be written as 3800 gram upon 1900 gram. So removing the grams, since they are of same unit, we get 3800 upon 1900. Now 1900 multiplied by 2 is 3800 and 1900 multiplied to 1 is 1900. So cancelling 1900 from numerator and denominator, we get 2 upon 1. The ratio becomes 2:1. Now question number 6. 7 minutes 20 seconds, 5 minutes 6 seconds. So 7 minutes 20 seconds, we can convert it into seconds as 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 7 multiplied to 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. So that will be equal to 420 plus 20 seconds. So that is equal to 440 seconds. Now the second term, 5 minutes 6 seconds, can be written as 5 multiplied to 60 seconds plus 6 seconds. So that will be equal to 300 plus 6 seconds, which is equal to 306 seconds. Now taking the ratio, we get 7 minutes 20 seconds upon 5 minutes 6 seconds is equal to 440 seconds upon 306 seconds. Now we can factorize it. We get 2 multiplied to 220 and 306 as 2 multiplied to 153. Cancelling 2 from the numerator and denominator, we get 220 upon 153. So the ratio is 220:153. Now question number 3. We have to express the following percentages as ratios. The first question is 75:100. So 75:100 is equal to 75 upon 100, which is equal to 25 multiplied by 3 upon 25 multiplied by 4. So cancelling 25 from the numerator and denominator, we get 3 upon 4, which is equal to 3:4. Question number 2. Ratio is given as 44:100. So we get 44 upon 100. We can write 44 as 4 multiplied by 11 upon 100 can be written as 4 multiplied by 12. So cancelling 4 from both sides, from the numerator and denominator, we get 11 upon 25, which is equal to 11:25. Question number 3. the ratio is given as 6.25 percentage. Now percentage can be written as 6.25 upon 100. Now for removing the decimal, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 100, since after decimal point we have two numbers. So when you multiply 6.25 with 100, we get 625. So it will be 625 upon 100 into 100. Further factorizing, we get 625 as 25 multiplied by 25, and 100 can be written as 25 into 4. The next 100 can be written as 25 into 4. So 25 and 25, 25 and 25, we can cancel from the numerator and denominator. We are left with 1 upon 16. So therefore, the ratio is 1:16. Now question number 4. The ratio is given as 52:100. Therefore, it can be written as 52 upon 100, where 52 can be factorized as 4 multiplied by 13 and 100 can be factorized as 4 multiplied by 25. Cancelling 4 from the numerator and denominator, we get the ratio as 13 upon 25, which can be written as 13:25. Fifth question, 0.64 percentage. So 0.64 percentage can be written as 0.64 upon 100. Now here we can multiply by 100 with the numerator and denominator for removing the decimal. So we get 64 upon 100 multiplied to 100 in the denominator. Now further factorizing 64, we get 4 multiplied to 4 multiplied to 4, and 100 in the denominator can be written as 25 multiplied to 4 multiplied to 25 multiplied to 4. Now 4 from the numerator and denominator can be cancelled. We are left with 4 upon 25 multiplied to 25. So the ratio comes to 4 upon 625. That is 4:625. Now in this module we have learnt about direct variation, inverse variation and properties of ratio. We have also done question number 1 to 3 of practice set 4.1. Thank you students.